Up first is guacamole. I love guacamole. I can eat the whole bowl. It's my favorite. So a few years ago, I was at this spa and they had asparagus guacamole, and I thought, well, that just sounds disgusting. And then I tried it and it was really good. So I went home and tried to recreate it. It's super easy and delicious. So what you do is you steam some asparagus, let it cool completely. I put it into the handy dandy food processor, which is my favorite appliance.
Your buddy.
And I've got 1 avocado in there, so it, you know, stretches the avocado. But avocado's good fat, so you don't have to feel bad about it.
It's good fat, but now it's less good fat.
And I'm anti-vegetable, and I've had this, and I love it. And I'm
good.
kind of
Don't eat
anti-veg.
vegetables.
I force myself to, but I'm not great.
She's not great about it.
She's really,
You
I mean,
know,
you've all
she's
helped
like
me,
a
but
meat and potatoes
she's
kind of girl.
always shoving something green at me, and
She
this is very
should,
good.
and you should.
I know,
Yeah,
I know.
my mom always says, did you have your greens today? I'm like, Mom, I'm 32 years old and you're still asking me if I had my greens today. Like, when is this
They're
gonna
very-
stop?
Like, I ask Jade that every day, and she's like, oh, not that again.
Somehow I've made it this long and I'm okay. So anyway, I'm not gonna grate the whole thing, just put it
Just
in there.
throw it in there.
It's the food processor, it'll all get mixed together, right?
You don't have to grate it, do you? If you're gonna put it in there.
No, just throw it in there.
Food
Okay, so
processor.
I like my guacamole creamy. So
Me too.
if you like it, you know, more choppy, you can do the asparagus first and get it nice and creamy and then put in the guac. Okay,
I know it. Yeah, exactly.
I'm gonna make it Italian.
By the way, there's
Exactly.
very few ingredients, which is very good for those of you who are like me.
And then I'm gonna put in, I like serrano peppers, give it a little heat, but you know, if you don't like it too spicy, take out the seeds and the membranes, put, you know, as much as you want, or as little. Cilantro, I love a lot of cilantro, and some lime juice. This kind of wakes the whole thing up.
Yep.
And, okay, put some salt in, put a little pepper in. Okay, I'm gonna blend it one
so
more
yummy.
time.
I've never had this at your house, Katie.
No, well, next time you will.
Now she can have it at our house. Mine, yours, or hers.
All right, so now what I'm gonna do is just fold in some purple onion and some tomatoes. You don't wanna put those in the food processor because then they'll just get totally mixed in and
it'll look weird.
And, here we go.
Discolored?
So
Yeah, it would
turn
get a
that
little
in.
funky.
Yeah, it would. Oh, this smells so good. I love
Here,
Mexican
baby, you want
food.
me to dish that up so you can move on?
Yeah, okay, you dish this up.